begin our deployment journey, we start by listing all pods in our Google Kubernetes Engine cluster. This step is crucial because it helps us identify the current state of the cluster and locate the risk agent pod if it's already deployed. Using the kubectl get pods command in the terminal, we can quickly see all running pods, their statuses and names. This overview ensures we're working in the right environment and sets the stage for the deployment process. With this information at hand, we're ready to move forward and apply the risk agent deployment, knowing exactly what's running in our cluster. Next, we deploy the risk agent using our deployment YAML file. In the terminal, we apply the configuration with kubectl apply risk agent deployment, YAML. Immediately after, we use kubectl get pods W to watch the pod status in real time. This allows us to monitor the deployment process and ensure the risk agent pod transitions from pending to running. Watching the pods live gives us confidence that the deployment is proceeding smoothly. Once the pod is up and running, we know the risk agent is successfully deployed and ready for the next steps. For confirming the risk agent pod is running, we need to ensure it's accessible. We do this by checking the service list using kubectl get svc in the terminal. This command displays all services, including their external IPs. The external IP is essential for reaching the gRPC service from outside the cluster. By verifying that the service is exposed and has a valid external IP, we confirm that the risk agent is reachable and ready to handle incoming requests. This step bridges the gap between deployment and actual usability, making sure everything is set up for remote access. The service confirmed it's time to access the risk agent pod directly. Using the kubectl execute risk agent pod name bash command, we open a shell inside the pod. This gives us direct access to the pod's environment, allowing us to interact with files and processes as if we were inside a regular Linux machine. This step is vital for running commands, checking configurations, and preparing to start the server. By accessing the pod shell, we gain full control over the risk agent's runtime environment, ensuring everything is in place for the server launch. For starting the server, it's important to verify that all necessary files are present inside the pod. By running lssrc in the terminal, we list the contents of the source directory. This quick check ensures that the server script and any dependencies are available and ready to execute. Confirming the presence of these files helps prevent runtime errors and guarantees a smooth server startup. Once we see all required files in place, we're ready to launch the risk agent server with confidence. Finally, we start the risk agent server by running python 3 src/server, py inside the pod. This command launches the server, which begins listening on port 50051 for incoming requests. At this point, the risk agent is fully operational and ready to process data. Watching the server start successfully marks the completion of our deployment process. With the risk agent running, your GKE environment is now equipped to handle risk analysis tasks efficiently and securely.